friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag. If this is your first video of mine, thank you for stopping by and I hope you like what you see. Today I'm bringing you an original idea. I came across this dish towel at Dollar Tree and that's what inspired me for this project. It says love is a four-legged word, and I know if you're like me, a lot of us are animal lovers, and I thought it would be cute to make for yourself, a friend, or even for your veterinary office. So in addition to the dish towel, I grabbed one of these little braided tassel dog toys, and it's surprising what you can come up with to add to a wreath. I found these little chip clips that were dog heads. I'm going to cut up my dish towel and attach it to a hard surface, so you could definitely use the Dollar Tree canvas board, or I'm just going to use a piece of scrap wood I have to attach it to. Now, knowing that I was going to make this dog themed wreath, I'd forgot I had picked up those clips, and I saw these at Hobby Lobby in the woodpile section for about 75 cents each. I got these two little wooden dogs that I may use instead and just use these clips as clips. I think one of those wire wreath forms from Dollar Tree lends itself to a dog crate, and I thought that would be cute too. But I decided to make mine out of wood. Now, I try to be mindful of people who don't have access to wood cutting and things like that. So you could certainly make this out of 4 paint stirs. Yours will just be about a 12 by 12 wreath. That's still a good size for any door. I just happen to have some scrap wood strips where I'm going to make mine just a couple inches bigger. Now, 2 of my scraps are already stained, and I may paint the other 2 navy blue just to match my little dish towel sign. So what I need to do is go ahead and clear this out. I'm going to show you how I'm going to create my sign using the dish towel. There's 2 graphics here where you could actually get 2 signs if you want to make 2 wreaths. Now, it just so happened my piece of scrap wood is perfectly between the 2 creases. Otherwise, you may need to run the iron over your towel to get those folds out. Now, I'm just going to kind of square it up on there and then cut out a good inch over. All right, I have my words cut out. I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to place my board or canvas or whatever you're using on top. All right, and now there's no right or wrong way for gluing the edges around. You just want to make it as neat as possible so the front of your sign is not puckered. One way I normally do is bring the corners up like a triangle, and then glue down one flap and then glue down the other flap, and it kind of creates kind of a mitered corner. That's one neat way to do it. You could just glue the top and the bottom and then come back to the sides. Whatever way you find best so that your sign is not puckered and it's neat as possible, but the back's not even going to show, of course. Okay, now I'm ready to work on my actual wreath form. I have a drop of navy blue paint left that will coordinate, and I'm going to paint these 2 navy blue. So I'm going to get them painted, hot glue them in a square, and show you what it looks like. I've got my wood hot glued into a crisscross square. I love doing the corners like that. I think that's a cute little accent. I've got my dish towel sign made, nice and neat. Got my little wooden dogs, or you could use the little head clips, my Dollar Tree dog toy, and then I also dug in my dog's treat jar and grabbed out a couple milk bones. I think that'll be a cute little something to add as well. Now, if you find yourself needing a bow or a little space filler, you can always buy themed ribbon with dog prints, but I probably won't use that today. So I'm just going to play around with these embellishments and show you what I come up with. Alright friends, we're here on my back patio. Even though it's gloomy out here, I think you can still see it better than on the inside. But I can't imagine a dog lover not loving this wreath. And I failed to mention that I did twist a piece of wire around the top wood behind the top tassel to create a hanger. But I hope you'll take this idea and make it your own, looking for some fun dog-themed embellishments to create this wreath. I enjoyed watching the process as much as I did making it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back in a few days. Bye-bye.